So today we are going to look at how do we create an amortization schedule. Let's say I have taken a loan of 5 lakhs for a time period of 10 years and at a rate of 8% per annum. Now, firstly, what I'll want to determine is the EMI, that is equated monthly installment. So the time I have is 10 years. I can convert it into months, so it will be equal to 10 multiplied with 12. So that means 120 months. And rate 8% can be converted into monthly 8% divided by, so that's the monthly rate. Now, for EMI, I'll use the PMT function. My rate is 1 and number of months, that is NPR 120. Present value is 5 lakhs. I'll get a negative value since it's a EMI payout. What I'm getting is it's going to be 6,000 something. Now let's determine the amortization schedule. Write the month number. Then every EMI has got two components. One is the principal component and the other is the interest component. The interest component simultaneously, this is the principal component. We put in the number of months. We will have 120. Now for the interest component, I'll use the IPMT function. My rate is this one, and ER is for the periods. We are looking for the first month. Total number is 120, and present value is the loan amount. What we are getting is 3,300 something as the interest component. Same way we'll determine the principal component using the PMT function. So we have this rate looking for the first month. Total number is 120 months, and loan amount is the present. Now, total, that is the sum of interest as well as principal, should be same as. Now, let me put in referencing. So I'm going to fix this, some of the elements rather. But I can use function F4 or in certain cases F. Anyway, C. And same for. I'll just click on this dot. It automatically populates across the column. Same way, principal component. And for B2. Now let me click on this dot. Anyway, for totals, I'll find that across it is same as the EMI value. So this table that I have formed for months, interest component, principal component, as well as total is referred to as the amortization loan schedule. This is how we determine amortization loan schedule in Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it to be helpful, please do press the like button and please subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you guys for your time.